Hi, my name is Bishop Woods. I'm a freshman at Queen University. I'm born in Portland, Oregon. Moved to Carrollton, Georgia. I was born February 6, 2002. Um, my major is business. If it's not business, then sports management. Um, I play baseball. I used to play soccer first, then basketball. Then I started playing baseball. And ever since then, I became a big fan of baseball. I started playing. Things I do outside of class is hang out with my friends, family, and just do a lot of fun things. Like I go to football games. Recently I just went to a softball game. I like to go out and eat with my parents, have a good time with them, and I just like to spend time with my family and friends. Thing that I learned from this class is like it's helpful, and you gotta stay on top of your stuff. Business is not easy. It's not easy. It's not an easy subject, but it's very helpful in the long run. And I'm glad I'm taking this class.